So today we are going to tell you how to properly close your front trunk. It has one catch and two latches. You've got a primary and a secondary latch. So that way, if for some reason you're running down the road and it gets half a pop, that way your front trunk doesn't open and smack your windshield. This works for the Model 3, the Model S, and the Model X. So once the latch is properly opened, pull the hood down. If you're shorter, like Gig, you can pull down like this. If you're taller like me, you can grab the tops, push down to touches like that. Take both hands, wrists down like this, on the other side of the T. This is good for the Model S and the Model X, like this. The Model 3 has a more traditional hood, but there's a bumper that comes up here, so you'll take two hands like this and push down on either side of the latch, like so. On all three cars, you don't want to push down too hard, and you don't want to do it one-handed because this latch is made of steel. The hood is made of aluminum. They will dent, and Tesla will not cover that under warranty. Always want to pull down gently until it makes contact. Two hands. Model 3 like this, Model S and Model X like this. Push down. All set. A couple more cool features about the front trunk on the Model S and the Model X. Model 3 is you've got a safety release in here, so should a small child get stuck, they can unlatch for themselves. It's glow in the dark. On the Model 3, it's also the light. Instead of these two lights, on the Model 3, this would be the light. And on the Model S and Model X, whether you have two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, it's somewhere near the front like this. Push that and it'll release the hood so that you don't have to worry about children getting stuck in your hood, in your front trunk, your frunk. All right, we'll catch you on the flip side. Thank you.